Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to view or check your account status on a TikTok. To see if your account is in good standing, checking your account status is essential for ensuring that your account is in good standing and fully functional, and then you can identify any restrictions, violations, or issues that might affect your content visibility or engagement. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your TikTok account and then click and then select the profile button at the bottom right and then click this profile icon, and then at top right corner then you can see here this three line and then click, and next step then you need to select TikTok Studio and then click. So here at TikTok Studio, and then you need to scroll down and then locate this more tools. Alright, so once you find already this more tools, and the first one you can see here this account check and then click and wait to complete the process for checking for my TikTok account. Okay, so you can see now this account in a good standing, and then thank you for following our community guidelines and helping us keep TikTok safe. Alright, so my account is a good standing status. Alright, so that's it guys on how to view or check your account status on TikTok. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.